Tired of messy timesheets and endless payroll headaches? Let's unlock the power of Buddy Punch for effortless time tracking. First, administrators and managers, log into your Buddy Punch account. This is your central hub to add employees. Go to the Employee tab on the left-hand side, click Add New Employee, and fill in their details like name, email, and hourly rate. Employees can clock in and out using several methods. They can use the web browser on their computers, download the Buddy Punch mobile app for iOS or Android, or you can set up a dedicated kiosk using a tablet. All options instantly synchronize with the Buddy Punch system. Creating schedules. Simple. Navigate to the Schedule tab, click on a day, an employee to assign them a shift. You can define start and end times, and even set recurring schedules for efficiency. Managing time off is just as easy. Employees submit requests through their accounts, and you can approve or deny them within the time off request section. This keeps everything organized and avoids scheduling conflicts. Buddy Punch generates detailed reports. For accurate payroll processing, go to the Reports tab and select the type of report you need. You can filter by date range, employee, and other criteria, then export the data in various formats. For added accuracy, explore features like GPS tracking to verify employee locations, Photo Punch for visual confirmation at clock-in, and job codes to track time spent on specific projects. With Buddy Punch, you can ensure transparent and accurate timekeeping. Ready to simplify your time and attendance management? Explore Buddy Punch today and say goodbye to payroll stress.